Hi, I'm Gucio. Let me introduce you to my daily routine. Come with me. Every day, I wake up at 8 a.m. My life is wonderful. Now I'm going to have breakfast. I'm curious what I'm going to get for breakfast now. My owner is a chef and often makes me delicious food. Life is beautiful when you can do nothing and just wait for him to make it. And I only come when the food is ready. Today, I see it's taking him a long time. I wonder what he's doing in there. I think I smell a carrot. Or maybe not. Could it be a cucumber? Actually, I'm not sure anymore. But one thing is certain. He'll give me a sausages. I love it. There's nothing better than that. I could eat them all day and all night. Yes, yes, yes! Finally! How long did I have to wait? This is so good! I love carrots! Good thing there's no cucumber. Okay, now I'm eating and I'll be back in 5 minutes. I'm back! I ate everything! Thank you for today's breakfast. Now we're going to have some fun! Yeah! I love running after my favorite toy! Look at my cute little white seal! This is the first toy I got from my owner. I wonder if he has more. I'd love to have another seal. Okay, I'm already bored with playing. Time for a change. Yes, this is it! Tug of war with my owner isn't that easy, but today I'll show him I'm going to take my rope back. Give it back to me! It's mine! You won't succeed! Yeah! I won again! Easy! Now that I've eaten and had some fun, I'm ready to sleep. Time for a little nap. What a tiring day! I'm grabbing my teddy bear and going to sleep. Thanks for spending the day with me. Don't forget to subscribe to my owner's channel and give this video a big thumbs up. It will make him very happy. Bye-bye. Good night.